So before we close the meeting, does anyone has a question or comment? Because we are reaching the end of it, ahead on the schedule, which is a good news. So we have time for questions or comments, if you wish. Yes, I see one. Oh, yes, yes, I agree, Ryan, and thanks for your comment. Yes, it was great to see how much work is going on within the IGS. I agree on this, and even if it was a virtual meeting again, it was great to be able to share all this information and see how the organization is doing so well. What I'd like to say is that even and despite the sanitary conditions in 2021, I'm also impressed by all the activity done by the different working groups and components. And this is a thank to all of you and your involvement into the organization. So thanks so much for that. Probably there are people in the audience who are not yet members, associate members of the IGS, or who have not yet joined a working group. So please do not hesitate to do so. I mean, we need you. I mean, an organization like the IGS need people and need people to be involved in these activities. Okay, so I see kind comments. Thanks to all of you. Okay, there's a comment from Elisabetta. I was curious to know if anyone knows about the declining number of IGS stations. A few of the presentations are shown. Yeah, so any comment on this, maybe from the, I don't know, interface committee or so about the comment of Elisabetta on the number of the decreasing number of IGS stations.
Yeah, I'm sorry, because I know that people was logging off, so I don't want to bring complicated questions at the end of a long day. But just from 2019 onward, I think there is a decreasing number of some of the stations that are using combined solutions. And
I think
it was just one.
Tom, I think that's in the repro
yes.
submissions.
Yeah.
And yeah, we don't really quite know why that is. I think, you know, some of the IGS stations, clearly we know there's been maintenance issues getting to stations because of COVID in the last year or so. But I think the drop off in the repro was, again, I'm not sure why that was. And in our solution, we picked up stations at the very end because we were bringing in multi-GNSS stations. So it's not sort of fundamental to the network per se. But again, a lot of people use stations outside of the IGS itself. You know, of the 500, there's about 9,000 other stations you can choose from to build out your networks. So I'm not sure there's a big issue.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying it's a big issue. It was just purely curious of, yeah, it sounds to me a COVID impact, but yeah, thank you, Tom.
Right. So I think we are done, and I'm going to close the meeting. Of course, I would like to ask you to take care of yourself. So please take care of yourself. Happy holiday season. Hope to see you soon in person. And bye-bye.